In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video in Renderforest. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can jump in, make changes with confidence, and get your project looking the way you imagined. Start by heading to the Renderforest homepage. This is your hub, and from here you'll find everything you need to reach your work. Take a second to notice the navigation along the top. It's where you'll access your projects and open the editor. If you land on a general welcome page, don't worry, you're exactly where you should be. Next, open Projects. This brings you to your personal workspace where all of your videos live. You'll see a gallery of thumbnails with titles and quick actions. If you have many items, scan the list or use any built-in filters to locate the one you want to adjust. Hovering over a project usually reveals options, and you'll be able to dive into the one you want. Choose a video and click Edit. That action launches the Renderforest video editor. Give it a moment to load. Once it does, you'll see the timeline or scene list in the main area and a set of creative tools along the left side. This layout is designed to keep your media in reach while you focus on the story in the center. Now work from the options on the left. AI video helps you generate or enhance scenes using prompts, great for quick story building or filling gaps. AI image lets you create or bring in visuals that match your theme without leaving the editor. Audio is where you add music, sound effects, or voice tracks. Balance levels so dialogue and music complement each other. Text-to-speech converts written lines into a natural-sounding voiceover, handy if you don't have a microphone. Choose a tone that fits your brand and adjust pacing for clarity. Media is where you upload or select your existing videos and images. Organize files with clear names so you can drop them into scenes without confusion. As you tweak, keep an eye on consistency. Use similar fonts and colors, keep clip lengths purposeful, and align transitions with the energy of your soundtrack. Use the preview inside the editor to check timing and audio balance before moving on to the next change. Small adjustments add up quickly, so make deliberate edits and review frequently. That's the core flow. Go to the homepage, open projects, pick your video, and use the left side tools to refine it. Follow these steps, and you'll have a polished Renderforest edit in no time.